Nigeria with many drama. Drama no go finish for this our country. Wàláì. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní eégún tó bá pidán mọ níwọ̀n ní pidán pẹ́. Eléyìí tí ò bá pidán mọ níwọ̀n ó máa pidán tẹ́ni. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ the very dark man. Oh, very the dark man. Okay. Blessing Okoro tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Blessing CEO. Ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ òun náà ti sọ̀rọ̀. Òun àlẹ́jì Tunde Ednut. Yes. Tunde Ednut. Pé wọn àbí dá kó wá Nàìjíríà. Hey, only Tunde Ednut can't step into Nigeria because of the crimes he committed. No, I underline statement here. Now, that is the one that is using the very dark man. Èmi ṣáà kọ́ ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. It is not my handwriting, no. Ìwòye oníròyìn ni. What is your take on that? Kò tí ì pẹ́, kò tí ì tutù, téèyàn kan ṣe sọ pé the very dark man, kìnìkan. Now, people were coming out for that guy. Okay, you are Tunde Ednut. You want to shake kìnìkan. Oh, you just want to be popular. You want to be famous. You want to this, you want to those, you want to that. Now, what will you say to this one? Blessing CEO. Is she also chasing clouds? Now, answer that. Bàtà tó bá ró ní pọ́nlá. Ó ṣetán láti ṣe kí ni? Oh, wọ́n pè ẹ́ kó wá jẹun. Somebody, the one I posted, somebody said the very dark man is friend to Davido. Níbo síbo. Ṣẹ́gi mú òjìnà sórí. Ibo náà ti friend. Ṣọ́jọ́ lọ school ní àbọ̀njọ pàdé ńlọ òyìnbó. No, answer that. Oh, lẹ́nu ẹlẹ́rìí méjì sí mẹ́ta. Okay, now, what do you know? No, me, I don't know. Before you will start asking me what I don't know. But you, do your findings. Do your investigation. Ìrèmí tó ń jó lórí omi, onílù ẹ̀ wà nsàlẹ̀ odò, ta ló nílù? Somebody has come out on social media to drag very dark man and Tunde Ednut, claiming that it was Tunde Ednut that was pushing him, sponsoring him, helping him and promoting him and all that. And that Tunde Ednut is using the very dark man. Now, Blessing Okoro, popularly known as Blessing CEO, has now come out to say this. What is your take on that?